Okay, today we're going to harvest Ternatea. So I'm going to take these flowers off. I'm not going to have any pods then after, but it's fine. This plant I grew from seed a few months ago, and look how big the mother plant is over there. There's no flowers, so I'm just going to take all the petals off them. I'm going to dry them, and I'll dry them in the sun tomorrow. Well, I'll leave them out now. Some of them are already drying on the plant, so I just picked them all, maybe about 30 or 40 of them, and when we dry them out then we'll make tea from them. So this was Clitoria Ternatea. In India they have different name for it. In the US I think they call it butterfly pea, but the technical word for it is Clitoria Ternatea. So there's a reason for that, but I'm not going to explain to it because this is children's channel. Kira, look.
Wow.
Wow, what? What are we doing? Are we drying the flowers? To make tea. To make tea. Hmm? What are you doing? Hmm?
I touched it.
You touched it, yeah? What are you doing now with that card? Are you doing drawing again?
Yeah, first for Yana.
Okay, that's better. A bit of sun now, so they should be dried in a few hours. Now, when the flowers are dried, then we just pick them all up and we put them into a Pyrex or something like that, or a jug or whatever. So take them all up here like this. And I have about, I think 30 pieces. You know? I don't think you can over dry them. They're dry like tea. So we're going to put them into that glass then afterward. So next I'm going to put some boiling water. This is filtered water. We use filtered water here all the time. So we pour, just open this, and we pour the boiling water into the Ternatea. And I don't know how much I have there, 4 glasses for 30. Maybe I'm making it a little bit weak, but anyway, you can play around and decide what you want to do. Then we give it a stir. Now, the whole idea is that you, it's starting to go a little bit blue already. The whole idea is that you leave the flowers in the hot water till the water actually cools, and you can put it in nice. I have 2 glasses ready with 2 little flowers on the top. But we will, it's going blue now, you can see, huh? So I'm going to leave that and let it cool down, and then we will be back to you. I'm going to cover it as well so the hot will stay in it for longer. And leave that for about 15 minutes, 30 minutes maybe. And then, of course, you can add ice to it, but I'm going to be straining it into the glasses from this one, okay? So, well, I'm going to pour it out anyway. I'm going to strain it into this other one, which is washed. Might cool quicker. The flowers now have gone nearly transparent, so most of the dye has come from the flowers, I think, at this stage. Flowers down there, I suppose. You can see in there, the flowers are there's nearly nothing left on the flowers. So, what we do is we're going to pour that into glasses now, and it's still hot, but you can put ice in it if you want to. It's a nice blue colour. I don't know how many glasses. You can see how much I put in there for 30 flowers. I think I could have put even more water in it. I tasted it there. It tastes like herbal tea. I'm not a tea drinker myself. My wife likes to drink tea, so I'm sure she'll have a glass of it. Now, what I'm going to show you in here, it's very hard. That's very dark colour. Wow, it's very dark. We put it up against the light. Now, that's way too strong, obviously. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put lemon into one of them. And we'll see will it turn purple. against the light now in a minute. It's raining outside today. It does rain here sometimes. Now, I'll put that up against the light now. Can you see that that one has gone purple and this one has gone blue? This is still blue. Is that nice or what?
Yeah,
that nice?
should do like that.
So we have purple tea and blue tea, one with lemon and one without. So I'll leave you with the Ternatea there now, and you can get an idea of the colour of it there now. It's just a bit difficult the dull day. And that's from the flower that I made in another video. I'll put a link to where I grew it. I grew the plant, from seed, and I made a video about it. And thank you for watching the video, and hopefully some of you will make this herbal tea. I have a cold in my head today, so I'm not going to turn the camera on my on my mug. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.